Hi, I'm Max. I'm the co-founder and CEO of WoodRunner Games, the studio working on Croak.
And this is Milo, head of marketing.
I'm Julia, the community manager, and I'd like to announce some exciting news about our upcoming game. Croak is an entirely hand-drawn game where you play as a bouncy, goofy-looking frog with animations illustrated frame by frame by artists who previously worked on Cuphead. The controls remain pretty simple. Using our tongue grappling mechanic, you can grapple dash, bounce, and pinball yourself across platforming challenges, and even boss fights.
Hello, I'm Angeline, one of the lead artists responsible for designing the environment in Croak. We draw each individual asset by hand, following an art direction designed with the support of artists who worked on Rick and Morty. These assets are then placed in the game using a technology inspired by the multiplane camera, kind of like what they did in the past for old animated movies.
And now onto the exciting news.
If you're watching this, it means our demo is now live on Steam. So go check it out, guys! Go play our demo!
Croak demo!